Hello everyone. Now in this video I am going to do the chapter 14 mensuration. Before I start the chapter mensurations, I will give its introduction of the first topic, that is area of trapezium. Before I start with questions, I would like to explain what is trapezium and how to find the area of trapezium. So first, this shape is trapezium. So trapezium is what? Trapezium is basically a quadrilateral. So trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel. In which one pair of opposite sides is parallel. So you can see in this figure, I am naming it as A, B, C and D. This is the cutout of the trapezium. So ABCD, here it is a trapezium. Which two sides are parallel here? AB is parallel to DC. We assume this side as small a and its another parallel side DC as small b. So AB is parallel to DC and this is its altitude, or you can say height of the trapezium. So we will find its area now. Area of trapezium it is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by sum of parallel sides multiplied altitude. To altitude we can say height also. And how we will write now? 1 by 2 and sum of parallel sides. What are the parallel sides? AB and DC. So it is A plus B. To AB we have assumed small a and to DC we have assumed small b into H. So this is the introduction of trapezium. Now I am discussing about areas for which the formulae you have done in your previous classes. For example, you have done area of square. So you know very well that square is a quadrilateral, or you can say square is a parallelogram in which all the sides are equal. So area of square you have already done, side into side or side square can be written. Second, rectangle. Rectangle is also a parallelogram in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. So area of rectangle, it is length into breadth. Then area of triangle, it is 1 by 2 into base into height when base and height are given. Then fourth, area of circle, that also you have done, pi r square. Then area of a rhombus when both diagonals are given. One diagonal is d1, another is d2. So it is 1 by 2 into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Then area of trapezium I have already written. One is area of parallelogram also. Area of parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. So it is base into height. So more formulae we will keep on discussing side by side when we will be doing the worksheets. Now worksheet 1 of mensuration is based upon the area of trapezium. I hope you have understood how to find the area of trapezium. So trapezium's shape will be like this. So not necessarily that broader side will come this side. It may come upwards also. Now after this, in my next video, I will do questions related to area of trapezium. Thank you. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked, like the video, subscribe and comment and share with your friends. Thank you.